So one of Adrian and one
It's
for
not too
Colin.
hot yet, so.
It's mine.
Okay, take this and pour it. See the handle? Pour it inside the water. Alright. Oh! Colin, whoa, turn that on. Watch what happens.
Watch your hands.
See it spin in there?
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Close
Fill that
it.
up. Wait,
Close
Colin's
it.
gonna add one. It's gonna be just like, fill it up. It's gonna be just like the movies.
Woo!
Okay, that's good. Now, put that in, look what it's doing. Come around this side.
Careful.
It's starting to get hot. All of it. That's okay. All the metal parts are gonna be hot. That's okay, we're gonna have some that aren't popped anyway. Oh! Close that lid. Oh, now
Why
wait.
did you close it?
So if it's hot in there, and when it pops, it'll come out just to get the feel. Now we just wait to see how long it's gonna be.
Water. Water.
Water!
Oh.
Smell it?
Yeah, I see. Did you put the butter and salt?
You can. No, you can't at the end.
Oh.
Because right now there's oil. I think I heard. This is the old Midway popcorn machine. Colin and Adrian love it. Look it, I heard a pop. Here.
Yeah.
They're gonna pop.
Oh!
There it comes.
It's time! It's coming.
Those smell good?
Yeah! I get more pop. Oh! It's on top! Oh!
Oh, it smells so good. Wait till it starts coming out. Wait till it starts coming out of the top.
They lost their camera.
The air is coming from it!
You like it?
Yeah!
How happy are you?
Hey!
Smile. Smile for the camera. Yay.
Oh!
Oh.
It's coming!
Doesn't it smell good?
Yeah!
Oh, see it? Whoa! Oh, look both sides. Look at this side. Oh, it smells
It's raining popcorn! It's raining popcorn!
That's so fun.
Whoa!
Can you smell it across the room?
Yeah, it smells good.
Whoa!
Just like at the movie theater, right?
That is my picture
Yeah,
for
you
Father's
painted that.
Day.
You painted that for me.
Yeah.
And Colin made that.
Oh!
Colin broke that board. Look at
I want to scoop it.
Wait till
We
it's all
both
done.
are.
Yeah, when it's done, you can scoop your own out.
Oh! Start getting the balls ready, Pappy.
Alright, Colin.
Whoa, so great.
Whoa! How cool is that?
Man.
I see a little bit more holes underneath the guy's hair.
When it stops popping, we're going to think it's done.
I thought it was still popping.
No, it's not. We put extra.
Whoa! That one's done. That one's done.
Yeah. And
Whoa!
you got like a mountain of popcorn down there.
A mountain.
Let's open this one. Watch out. Ah, that's a better view.
Oh! Dump it! Dump it! Let me dump it. I'm gonna dump it.
I guess it's done, right? If it's
Yeah. Yeah.
Not, oh, it's still going. Turn that one off, but we'll leave the light bulb on so it stays.
And stirring. Okay.
Oh, yeah, stir. It's still moving.
You gotta turn it up.
Look. Alright, dump it. Slowly dump it. If it will. Wait, not that yet. All the way. Wiggle.
Let go.
There you go.
Alright, give Colin a turn.
Mine.
Dump the rest out, Colin.
Gentle.
Oh, that's how you do it. Alright, they're out. Okay.
Okay.
Good job. Now look. Let's close the door.
Ah.
And open the bottom like Colin was doing. And put the scoop in there. Nice and fresh and warm.
Yeah.
Scoop it out. Yeah. Yeah, you can do that too. It's easier, huh?
I want it.
Wow.
I want it.
This is your bowl, Adrian.
No, it's mine.
No, I have one for her.
All right, that's enough for a while.
Okay, now you
Let
take
Adrian-
this to the table
Colin.
and let Adrian scoop.
And we need butter and salt.
Okay. All right.
We need the butter and
Isn't that
salt.
good? Just like the candy store or
And
the
could I have cupcake to go?
caramel corn factory.
You had enough.
Now I have to make some butter.
Does that make you happy?
Yeah. Help
Another
me.
hand. Oh,
Help. Push me out. Ah,
Taste it.
Pull
Tell me how good it
me.
is.
pull me out.
oh, is that good?
Yeah.
Taste it. Tell me how good it is before you put anything on it.
No.
Taste it.
Is it good? All right, you got enough too, right? All right, just leave the scoop in there or anywhere. Look at all she got.
Oh my god.
Want me to carry that over for you? Or
Can I try it?
Yeah.
melted butter.
Melt my butter.
Oh, look at
I don't want butter.
Listen,
Ooh.
sizzle.
Well, then give me all.
Listen, you hear it sizzle when you pour butter on it.
Taste it.
Better like that? Taste yours.
Okay.
Okay, how is it though, Adrian?
Taste it. It's good.
I already tasted it.
It's good, right?
You want this?
Was it fun?
No.
Was it worth it?
Did you put this on right?
Did you like making
Donut.
it? Did you like
Donut.
making it? No.
Good.
Donuts.
Making popcorn?
I want teeth.
Mmm.